नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं वाचं ततो जयमुदीरयेत् जितं ते पुण्डरीकाक्ष नमस्ते विश्वभावन नमस्तेऽस्तु हृषीकेश महापुरुषपूर्वज सदक्षरं ब्रह्म य ईश्वरः पुमान् गुणोर्मि सृष्टिस्थितिकालसल्लयः प्रधानबुद्ध्यादिजगत्प्रपञ्चसूः सनोऽस्तु विष्णुर्मतिभूतिमुक्तिदः. Finished with this 15th thing. We are looking at Ikshvaku Vamsha kings who were born in the lineage of Ikshvaku Raja. And the name Ikshvaku itself, the derivation of it is given as Kshuvataha cha manoho Ikshvakuhu putraha jagne granataha iti. So I thought the Manu's name was Kshuvat or Kshutavat, but here it is actually a Ktavatu Pratyaya, Kta Pratyaya, Shatru Pratyaya of Kshuvat Dhatu. So that Kshuvat iti Shatru Pratyayam. It means that as he was sneezing, so it is a dhatu for sneezing. So when the Manu was sneezing, the son was born out of his granam. So that is why he is called Ikshvaku. Kshuvataha tasya manoho granataha jagne, because he was born from the nose of the Manu who was, as he was sneezing, the Kshuva dhatu has given birth to the name of Ikshvaku. तस्य शतप्रधाना विकुक्षि निमि दंडाक्याः त्रयः पुत्राः बभूवुः. Ikshvaku had 3 sons. He had 100 sons, among which the 3 sons Vikukshi, Nimi and Danda were important first 3 sons. And then Shakuni Pramukhaha. Starting from Shakuni, there were 50 sons who were Uttarapatha Rakshitaraha. They protected the northern direction. Chatvarimshad Ashtau. So 40 and 8. 48 of those kings protected the southern part. Dakshinapatha Bhupalaha. Sacha Ikshvakuhu Ashtakayaha Shraddham Utpadya. Now this Ikshvaku, we are going to read about many kings in this Vamsham. So each one has, maybe there are 3-4 small stories associated with each one of them. Like how we saw Kakutstha, we are going to read that story also. Kakudi Sthitaha iti. How Indra took on the form of a bull, and this Raja, Puranjaya, he stood on Indra and fought with the Asuras. So all those stories, Mandhata, there are small stories that are going to come here. So we'll see. So this Ikshvaku, Ashtakayaha Shraddham Utpadya. Ashtaka is a kind of Kapaleshu Samskritaha Purodashaha Ashtakam iti. There is some Vedic ritual associated with it where you make offering, havis, in 8 Kapalam, and the specific kind of yagam is called Ashtaka here. Ashtakayaha Shraddham Utpadya. So he performed this Shraddham. Shraddharham Mamsam Anaya iti Vikukshim Ajnapayamasa. He asked Vikukshi to go, his son, the first one we saw here, Vikukshi Nimi Danda iti. So he asked Vikukshi to go and bring Mamsam, which is meat, which is appropriate for the Shraddham. Earlier Amsha, in the 3rd Amsha, we started off with one Adhyaya where many different kinds of Shraddharha Mamsa were given. The meat that can be offered in a Shraddham was listed, and how the Pitras would be pleased by these meat offerings was given in that, right? Of course, there is a thing that this is all Yuga Dharmam. This Dharma belongs to some Krita Yugam. It doesn't belong to other Yugas, even Treta Yugam. When we come to Kali Yugam, it is only vegetarianism is what a lot of people explain this to be. Anyway, so he ordered Vikukshi to go and get flesh which is best for the Shraddham. So Shraddharham Mamsam Anaya iti Vikukshing Agyapayamasa, he ordered him. We have to start from this. Sa tatha iti grihita agnaha vidhrita sharasanaha vanam abhyetya anekasho mrigana hatva shrantaha atikshut paritaha Vikukshihi ekam shasham abhakshayat. This is a very cute very nice story in that way to the Puranam also writes it in a simple Sanskritam here. So Saha, that Vikukshi, Tatha iti grihita agnaha. He took on that orders of his father. Vidhrita sharasanaha. Sharasya asanam sharasanam. The asanam for a bow is asanam for the arrows is the bow. So shara is arrow, asanam is the seat for the bow. Wherever you keep the arrow, that is called the sharasanam, which is the bow. So vidhrita sharasanaha, he took his bow and vanam abhyetya, went to the forest. Anekashaha mrigana hatva. He killed a lot of animals there. Shrantaha, very tired. Atikshut paritaha. Atikshut paritaha. Paritaha nama, he was atkollapattanungrolya Tamil அந்த மாதிரி. So பெரும் பசியினால் ஆட்கொள்ளப்பட்டு இங்க பரிதஹா நாம he was suffering from great hunger. So what did he do? He had a lot of hunt that he had with him, right? So he had killed a lot of animals so that the meat can be cooked for the shraddham, and that he had kept it in his with him. So being hungry, he decided to eat one of those, which is a small rabbit. Ekam shasham abhakshayat. Shesham cha mamsam aniya. The rest of the mamsam he brought it, the flesh or the hunt, the game. Pitre nivedayamasa. He came and offered it to his father. Ikshvakukula acharyaha vasishtaha tat prokshanaya choditas sanna praha. So Ikshvakuhu also, he prompted Vasishta to do a prokshanam of that and take it for Shraddham. Okay, so Prokshanam nama tatra, because it has come from the forest, he should just mantra purvakam, he has to do prokshanam for it, sprinkle water on it. So Ikshvaku kula acharyaha Vasishtaha. Vasishta, who was the acharya, kula acharya for the Ikshvaku vamsha, for the lineage of Ikshvaku, being asked choditaha, being prompted to do prokshanam, to sprinkle water on top, Vasishta said, Alamanena amedhyena amishena. So this amisham, meat, is amedhyam. Medhyam is something that is worthy. Amedhyam is impure. Enough of this impure, I don't want this impure mamsam, flesh. Duratmana tava putrena etan mamsam upahatam yataha anena shashaha bhakshitaha. Vasishta, through his yoga drishti, he saw that he had contaminated it by taking off. The shesham bolya, that is what this is. So he has gone specifically there to bring food only for the shraddham, and it has to be whatever he brings, there nobody else should have partaken from it. Since he had eaten one from that, it means it has become something which has become polluted. So, Duratmana tava putrena, by your son who is a wicked person, etan mamsam upahatam. Upahatam nashtam, in the sense its purity is gone. Yataha, because anena shashaha bhakshitaha, the rabbit was eaten by him. Tatascha asau vikukshihi, guruna eva muktaha. So, this vikukshi, whose name is Vikukshi, being said by the Guru in this manner, nobody knew about it. It is only the Guru now, through his yoga drishti, he found out that he had eaten a rabbit. Hence, Shashada Samjnam Avapa. He got the name of Shashadaha. Shasham Atti iti Shashadaha. One who eats, the one who ate the rabbit, or one who eats the rabbit. So his name became Shashada here. Pitracha Parityaktaha. He was also abandoned by his father since he had committed an impure act of this manner. Okay, so this is one kutti story. You know, in the Madri you will have small stories along the way as we read this adhyaya. Pitari uparate cha asau akhilam. 1 minute. Pitari uparate cha asau akhilam etam prithvim dharmataha shashasa. So, where did we finish the earlier this thing? Pitra cha parityaktaha. So, in other words, the father just left him and went to the forest, in other words. Okay, that's why we have Vardhake Munivrittinam Yogenante Tanutyajam iti vartate. When you read Kalidasa's Raghuvamsha, he says all of the kings in this Ikshvaku Kulam, they were all people who Shaishave Abhyasta Vidyanam, they studied when they were young. It was a source of, that is not how it is today. Everybody, we all read some other things during our childhood, but as we grow older, that is when we realize that we want to read more of traditional texts and all that. So, we keep reading all our life. Otherwise, we cannot, because our capacity is not so much. Like how Revata King said, all of these are alpamati, alpadhihi iti. He sees that in Dwapara Yugam itself, people are alpadhi. So imagine how we are in Kali Yugam. So even if we study till the age of 100 or till we die, it is fine. Because we have to keep on increasing that capacity. Otherwise, it is difficult. We cannot just study during our childhood and get done with it. So Shaishave Abhyasta Vidyana, Yavvane Vishayeshinam, they enjoyed all of the enjoyments of the world during Yavvanam. Vardhake Munivrittinam. So when they are in their old age, they go to the forest. And then Yogenante Tanutyajam, they let go of their physical body by following yogic practices. So this is the formula adopted by all of the Ikshvaku Raja. Pitari Uparate. So when his father had passed away, Asau, this Vikukshi or Shashada, Akhilam etam prithvim dharmataha shashasa. He ruled this entire prithvi, entire bhumi, according to the rules of dharma. Shashadasya tasya Puranjayaha nama putraha abhavat. He had a son called Puranjayaha. Now Puranjaya has another story here. Tasya cha idam anyat. Anyat nama vrittantam. So this is another thing that is spoken about Puranjaya. Purahi Tretayam Devasura Yuddham Atibhishanam Abhavat. Tretayam Tretayuge. So when Puranjaya came in, Tretayugam started. So till then it was probably Kritayugam. In Tretayugam, during Tretayugam, Devasura Yuddham, there was a huge battle between the Devas and the Asuras. Atibhishanam Abhavat, it was very terrible. Tatra cha ati balibhihi asuraihi amaraha parajitaha. The Devas were parajitaha, they were defeated by the Asuras who were extremely strong. Ati balibhihi asuraihi. By the very strong Asuras, the Devas were parajitaha, they were defeated. Te here refers to Amaraha. So usually from the verb you take that for the Sarvanama Shabda. They prayed to. Abdina who prayed to? So it is Amaraha. Te Bhagavantam Vishnum Aradhayan Chakruhu. So they worshipped Vishnu. When the Devas get into any trouble, they immediately ask for Vishnu's help. We also saw that Maya Moha and Madri, because he is the person who is the current Prime Minister or President. He is responsible for the sthiti of the world. Aradhayan Chakruhu. Prasannascha Devanam Anadinidhanaha Akila Jagat Parayanaha Narayanav Praha. So Narayana, who became very happy, Devanam Prasannaha, who was very happy with the Devas, Anadi Nidhanaha, whose Anadi is Prakriti here, who is the Nidhanam, he is the substratum for Prakriti. Maya resides within Parameshwara, Vishnu, and from him the world is created, right? So Akila Jagat Parayanaha, he is the Param Ayanam, Ayanam Nama goal. He is the final goal for the entire world. So people want to attain moksha, they want to attain Narayana. Right? Narayana word also means the same thing. Narasya Samuhaha Naram. The community of the people, the humans, is Naram. And Ayanam is goal. Again, Narasya Ayanam Narayanam. So Narayanaha. One who is the final goal, moksha swarupa, for the samoham of for the human community. what does the word Ramayana mean? Ramaha eva ayanam iti Ramayana. And Rama ayanam adhikritya kritam kavyam. So it is any or Ramasya ayanam, people say it is the story of Rama, the charitam of Rama. The other way to interpret it is ayanam nama goal. Rama himself becomes the goal because he is the Purnavatara. He is the goal, which is attaining moksha. So while you read Ramayanam, that Katha Shravanam becomes a path for attaining moksha. Prasannascha Narayanaha Praha. So when being pleased, Vishnu spoke, Jnatametan maya yushmabhihi yad abhilashitam tadartham idam shruyatam. Jnatam etat maya yushmabhihi yat abhilashitam. Jnatam etat maya. I understood this. Yushmabhihi yat abhilashitam tadartham idam shrunu. Or you can take it as two separate sentences here. Yushmabhihi yad abhilashitam. Whatever you desire, etat maya jnatam. I understood that really well. Tadartham idam shruyatam. For the sake of that, that is to achieve whatever you wanted, listen to what I have to say. That is the process that you have to adopt for achieving your desire. Puranjayo nama rajarshehe shashadasya tanayaha kshatriyavaraha yaha tasya sharire aham amshena swayameva avatirya tan asheshan asuran nihanishyami. Tad bhavadbihi puranjayaha asuravadhartham udyogam karyatam iti. So until this, Vishnu's words are there. So there is this son of Rajarshi Shashada called Puranjaya. So the king Rajarshi, the king Shashada, his son's name is Puranjaya. He is a great Kshatriya Varaha. He is the best among the Kshatriyas. Tasya sharire, in his body, I will descend as with an amsha of mine. So aham amshena swayameva avatirya. I myself swayameva avatirya. I will descend with one portion of myself. So ஒரு அம்சத்தோட நான் உள்ள இறங்குறேன். That is just a portion, 1% of him will come into the Raja. Tan asheshan asuranu nihanishyami. I will kill all of those asuras. Tat tasmat, hence what do you have to do? Your work is to make him interested into fighting. Bhavadbihi puranjayaha asura vadhartham udyogam karyatam. So let that Puranjaya be inspired towards doing an effort for killing the asuras by you. Adadu, you all have to inspire Puranjaya to kill the asuras. You only if they go and ask him, will he even know that there is a yuddham going on between Devas and Asuras, and that they need his help. Otherwise, why would anybody come and seek the help of a person, Raja in the Bhumi, right? So tad bhavadbihi puranjayaha asuravadhartham udyogam karyatam. Etacha shrutva pranamya. Hearing this, the Devas did a namaskaram to Bhagavan. Bhagavantam Vishnum pranamya. Amaraha, the Devas, Puranjaya Sakasham Ajagmuhu. Ajagmuhu. அப்படி வரணும் இங்க. Uchuhucha enam. So they came to see Puranjaya and they also spoke to him. What did they tell him? Bho kshatriyavarya asmabihi abhyarthitena bhavata. Bho kshatriyavarya. Oh, the great among kshatriyas. Asmabihi abhyarthitena bhavata. Being requested by us, you asmakam arati vadha udyatanam kartavyam sahayyam ichchamaha. இது வந்து தத் பவதா அஸ்மாகம் அபியாகதானாம் பிரணயபங்கஹ ந காரியஹ. So this is a there should be a comma here or something like that. This is a separate sentence. எங்களால் வேண்டப்பட்ட உன்னால் அஸ்மாபிஹி அபியர்த்திதேன பவதா அராதிவத உத்யதானாம் அஸ்மாக்கம் கர்த்தவ்யம் சகாயம் இச்சாமஹா. அதாவது எதிரியனுடைய வதத்திற்காக உத்யதானாம் முயற்சி செய்கின்ற அஸ்மாக்கம் எங்களுடைய கர்த்தவ்யம் செய்ய வேண்டிய விஷயத்தில் சகாயம் இச்சாமஹா, ஒரு ஹெல்ப்பை எதிர்பார்க்கிறோம். இங்கிலீஷ்ல டிரான்ஸ்லேட் பண்றதுக்குள்ள பைத்தியமே பிடிச்சிடும் எனக்கு. அதாவது in our local languages it is so easily flowing into place illa, there is so many small things that we need to break down. So tvam tu asmabhihi abhyartitah, we are now requesting you. What do you have to do? Tvaya sahayam karyam. So we wish that you will help us in this work. What is our work right now? Asmakam arativada udyutanam kartavyam. Our work kartavyam is right now we who have udyata, we have now made an effort to kill the asuras, and this is our kartavyam right now. Kartavyam is, that is our duty right now, that we have to kill our enemies. In this we expect your help. Tad bhavata asmakam abhyagatanam pranaya bhangaha na karyaha. So hence you should not break the friendship with which we have come to you. Asmakam abhyagatanam, abhyagatanam nam, those who have approached you. Tesham pranaya bhangaha, you should not try to destroy the pranaya, the friendship that we are trying to establish right now by coming to you. Ityuktah puranjayaha praha. Being spoken thus, Puranjaya now replied. So the Devas said, we have come to ask you for help in our Devasura Yuddham. Don't destroy this friendship. Don't say no. Ityartha. That's all it is. So Puranjaya replies, Trailokyanathaha yaha ayam yushmakam indraha shatakratuhu asya yadi aham skandhadhirodhaha yushmakam aratibhis saha yotsye तदहम भवताम सहायः स्याम. श्याम श्याम தான் இருக்கணும்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
श्याम தான் இருக்கு புக்ல.
श्यामा was also right. स्यात् स्याताम स्युः स्याः श्याम श्याम स्यावा श्यामा தான். He is taking it in the ஆத்மநேபதி இல்லையா? ஆத்மநேபதியில் சியாமா வரும் எந்த தாத்துன்னு தெரியல. சம்டைம்ஸ் தேர் ஆர் தீஸ் தாத்துஸ் விச் குட் ஹாவ் எ ஆத்மநேபதி ஆர் இட் கேன் ஜஸ்ட் பி எ இது ஆர்ஷ பிரயோகம். ஒரு தடவை லெட் மீ ஜஸ்ட் செக். சியாமா இருக்கே அசு தாத்து, परस्मैपदी अकर्मका, बट इट इज कर्तरी विधिलिंग उत्तर पुरुष करेक्ट தான். श्यामा தான். ஓ வி, த ராயல் வி, அகம் இல்லாத, இட் ஷுட் பி சியாம் சியாவ சியாமா இருக்கும் இல்லையோ. அதனால வயம்னு இருந்தா சியாமா வரலாம், இல்லைன்னா வர முடியாது. அப்போ சியாம் தான் இருக்கணும். ஜஸ்ட் 1 minute. ஏகவச்சனம் இருக்கா? ஓ தேர் இஸ் ஏகவச்சனம். How come? No, there is no ekavachanam. Sorry, I made a mistake. Yeah, it won't even come. So Syam is better.
ஹிந்தில சிங்கிள் பர்சன் தான் வருது.
சிங்கிள் பர்சன் தான் போட்டிருக்கு.
இட் இஸ்
yeah meaning are it's the same, but சியாமா வந்திருக்கு, அது தப்பு இல்லையா? ஸோ சியாம் தான் இருக்கணும், கீழே இந்த கோடு இருக்கணும். ஓகே. த்ரைலோக்கியநாதः சதக்ரதுः இந்திரः யுஷ்மாகம் த்ரைலோக்கியநாதः யः அயம் யுஷ்மாகம் त्रैलोक्यनाथः इन्द्रः शतक्रतुः शतक्रतुः इन्द्रः. This should be 5 and this should be 6. So your lord of the 3 worlds. So त्रैलोक्यनाथः युष्माकम इंद्र அப்படி வரணும். சாரி, இது எப்படின்னா त्रैलोक्यनाथः is first. So one who is the lord of all the 3 worlds, and then one who is your lord, who is also a Shatakratu. Abdi varno. Okay, because these 3 are 3 different adjectives for Indra. We don't know his name right now. Indra is a position. So Indra is the position of the lord of the Devas. So that is why he says Yushmakam Indraha. And Trailokyanathaha, who is presently the ruler of all 3 worlds. And Shatakratuhu, who has also performed 100 Ashwamedha Yagas. இன்னும் பேர் சொல்லல. So only sometimes we know the name of Indra, sometimes we don't know the name of Indra. Here he just mentions that Yushmakam Nathaha, Trailokya Nathaha, Shatakratuhu, Asya Skandhadirudaha Aham, I will have to stand on his shoulders, and Yushmakam Aratibis Saha Yotsye Yadi. If I fight with your enemies, Aratibihi Saha, Yadi, if I can fight with your enemies, climbing onto his shoulders, Skandadirudaha, Tadaham Bhavatam Sahayaha Syam, then I could be of some use to you. So if I can stand on the shoulders of Indra and fight, then there is a possibility of doing some help for you all. Iti saha vadati Puranjayaha. Ityakarnya samasta devaihi Indrena cha. When hearing this, all of the devas and Indra immediately said Badham. Iti evam samanvipsitam. It was accepted by all the devas and Indra at that time. Okay, they listened to this and then samanvipsitam, so swikritam ityartha. So what happened now? Tatascha Shatakratoho Vrisharupadharinaha, then Shatakratu Indra took on the form of a Vrisha. Vrisha is an ox, so he took on the form bull. So he took the form of a bull. Vrisharupadharinaha Shatakratoho Kakudhi Stitaha. He stood on the hump of Indra, who had taken on the form of a bull. So humpங்கிறது அந்த திமில்லுங்கிறோம் இல்லையா அது அந்த so Kakudhi Sthitaha, Puranjaya stood on the hump of Indra, who had taken on this form of a bull. Atirosha Samanvitaha, being very angry, Bhagavataha Charachara Guroho Achyutasya Tejasa Apyayitaha. See, he immediately became angry. அதான் இந்த திமிரு பிடிச்சிருக்க அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி அந்த திமில்லுங்கள இருந்து தான் வருது. ஏன்னா immediately as soon as he went on top, he was filled with that arrogance there. Atirosha Samanvitaha. Bhagavataha Charachara Guroho Achyutasya Tejasa Apyayitaha. Apyayitaha, he purchu perkanadu. He was overfilled with the tejas, with the luster of with the power of Achyuta, Charachara Guru, who is the Guru of the Asayumpurul, Asayapurul, both the sentient and the non-sentient beings in this world. The one who is the Lord of everything in this world, Achyuta, Vishnu, by that power of Vishnu, he was Apyayitaha. He was even more overfilled with that. Devasura Sangrame Samastaneva Asuran Nijaghana. In that battle between the Devas and the Asuras, he killed all of the Asuras. Yatascha Vrishabha Kakudi Stithena Ragnya Daiteya Balam Nishuditam Atascha Asau Kakutstha Samgyam Avapa. Yatascha, because of the fact that Ragnya, the king, standing on the hump of the Vrishabha Kakud, Kakudi Sthitaha Kakutsthaha. Okay, Daiteya Balam Nishuditam. The entire army of the Daiteya, the Asuras, were Nishuditam, killed. Atahacha, because of that fact, Asau, this Puranjaya, came to be known as Kakutstha Samgyam Avapa. He got the name of Kakutstha. So his descendants were all called Kakutsthaha. After Puranjaya, all of the kings were called Kakutstha. Dilipa, Aja, Raghu, Dasharatha, Lavan, Ellarme, all of them can be called as Kakutsthaha also. But Kakutsthasya api Anenaha putraha abhavat. Kakutstha's son was Anenas. Prithuhu Anenaha Anenasaha. Anenasaha. The Anenaha iti Ragnyaha putraha Prithuhu asit. This Prithu is different from the other Prithu Maharaja. So Pritho, that is Dhruva's Vamsha. Here it is Ikshvaku Vamsha, Prithu. So Prithoho Vishtarashvaha. Prithu's son was Vishtarashva. Tasyapicha Chandraha Yuvanashvaha. His son was Yuvanashva. Chandraha Yuvanashvaha. So Chandraha, I think it means his name is Chandra. The double name vechindrukra madri. யா ஆமாம், இந்த 2 நேம்ஸ் சில பேருக்குலாம் இருக்குமோ இல்லையோ, அந்த மாதிரி. ஸோ சாந்திரஹா யுவனாஸ்வஹா, we have seen 2 stories right now, Shashada and Kakutstha, இல்லையா? now the next ஆரம்பிக்கும். சாந்திரஸ்ய தஸ்ய யுவனாஸ்வஸ்ய शाश्वतः यः पुरीं शावस्तीं यः पुरीं शावस्तीं निवेशयामास. चान्द्रस्य युवनाश्वस्य शावस्तः श्रावस्तहाன்னு இருக்கு, அதான் என்னன்னு பார்த்தேன். தஸ்ய பிருத்தோஹோ விஸ்வகஸ்வஹான்னு ஒன்று, தஸ்ய சார்திரஹான்னு ஒரு புள்ள, அர்த்ரஸ்ய அர்த்ரஹா இதி புத்திரஹ, அர்த்ரஸ்ய யுவனாஸ்வஹ, and then yuvanashvasya shravastah. So these are the words that are given in our Sridhara Swami Vyakyanam. See, there is no authenticity to these words also. It could be some different manuscript. So in that manuscript he uses the word shravastha, which is better, I think, instead of this shavastah. So yaha shravastim purim niveshayamasa, he is the one who also built the city, or he entered the city of Shravasti. So Niveshayamasa nama, he established the city called Shravasti. Shravastasya Brihadashvaha tasyapi Kuvalayashvaha. The son of Shravastha is Brihadashvaha, and Brihadashva's son is Kuvalayashvaha. Yo asau उदकस्य महर्षेः अपकारिणं दुन्दुनामानं असुरं वैष्णवेन तेजसा आप्यायितः पुत्रसहस्रैः एकविंशद्भिः परिवृतः जघान दुन्धुमारसंज्ञाम् अवाप. This Kuvalayashva, he killed an asura called Dundhu. The asura's name is Dundhu, and the maharshi's name is Udaka or Utanka, another name. In another version it is called Utanka. வேற ஏதாவது புராணம் எடுத்தோம்னா there will be completely different names there, so we don't know. We're talking about millions of years ago is what their history is here. So Udaka Maharshehe, there was a rishi called Udaka or Utanka. An asura named Dundhu, he troubled this rishi Apakari, hence that asura was killed by Kuvalayashva. When Kuvalayashva became, every time whenever there is a problem, Vishnu comes as an amsha, enters as an amsha into that raja to take care of this problem. So Vaishnavena Tejasa Apyayitaha, being filled by that power of Vishnu, surrounded by Apyayitaha, Parivritaha, surrounded by Putra Sahasraihi Ekavamshadbihi. So by 21,000 children na illana 1021 na 21,000 children, surrounded by his 21,000 children, Jaghana, he killed Asuram Jaghana, he killed the asura named Dundu. So his name was called, he attained the name of Dundumara. दुन्दुमार संज्ञाम् अवाप. तस्य च तनयाः समस्ताः एव दुन्दुमुख निश्वास अग्निना विप्लुष्टाः विनेशुः. All of his children, that is this Kuvalayashva's children, who were 21,000 children who came with him, surrounding him and went to kill Asura, the Agni that came from that Asura's mouth, Dundu Mukha Nishwasa, the breath that came out of his mouth in the form of Agni, in the form of fire, burnt all of those children. Tasya Tanayaha Samastaha Eva Viplushtaha, they were all burnt by the fire that came from Dundu's mouth, and Vineshuhu, they got destroyed. Dridhashva Chandrashva Kapilashvaha Trayaha Kevalam Sheshitaha. Only 3 of those children were remaining. Now we have to look at the descendants of Dridhashva, and another story will come in the middle. So we'll do that next class. Okay. Narayanam Namaskritya Naranchaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vacham Tato Jayamudirayet.